What is up, everyone? Today we have these creative Pebble Modern 2.0 desktop speakers. So these are small speakers. They belong on a computer and they're powered via USB, if I'm correct. As you read the video's title, we're unboxing them. Oh, what's in here? I guess it's just the manual. This is a very oddly shaped box. And yeah, that's the manual. We won't need that. And inside, of course, we get the speakers. They are very round. Okay. Got a little passive speaker on the back. That's nice. But you know they're going to get scratched up real quickly. They're in an environment like my office. Here's the other one. I know that's an old trend people do when unboxing stuff. That's why I did it, just to make everyone think back into like 2017 when people were doing that. Hope I don't cut one of the cables, that'd be bad. Alright, there we go. I don't know why they put tape. Why can't they just put one of these twist ties there? Amazon sometimes markets their products as a, what do you call it? Easy to open package. When you're nervous that you're gonna cut a cable, that's not easy to open. That's quite nerve-wracking, whatever. It's quite scary. When you think, oh, I'm gonna cut this cable. Okay, to power on the speakers, you just listen till it clicks, and it's on. And volume control. Kind of sticky here. What I mean is, it kind of gets stuck over there. Here's the speaker, metal or plastic. I know this is plastic or metal. I'm not sure. All right, time to hook it up and see how the sound performance is. Link in the description for the song I used. And plugging it in, it's USB powered. So you can use any USB. You could even use one of these. Hang on. Everyone has seen this before. This. Hang on, no. Not this one. That's the rip off. This one is a Apple charger that you get with an iPhone. I bet you could use this to power it and then just plug into your phone or something. Yeah, I bet you could do that. But today we're going to power it how they wanted you to, from the computer. And it turns on. Nice. I see the green light. Which one is right and left? This one belongs on the right, so we'll leave that on the right. This one belongs on the left, we'll put this on the left. Right next to each other. All right, you're gonna search up a song. Yes, hang on. Okay, no copyright music, but I'm still gonna cite my source, obviously. Turn up the volume. I'm maxing it out. Okay, so that was a good test on how the sound quality is on these speakers. They sound real nice in person. It might have a bit of echo because I'm filming in a big room, high ceilings, you know. But yeah, the audio quality is actually pretty good for the price I paid, about $20. for this thing. Is it 20 bucks? I think it's $20 for this thing. Yeah, I'll throw an Amazon link in the description below. So just look right down there for the Amazon link. Yeah, I just got it on Amazon.com. Everyone buys stuff there, you know. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, which is over there. It's bright red. It says subscribe on it in big white letters. And also hit the like button if you like this video. It's a thumbs up down there too. So see you next time.